In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and display stock for your Woocommerce variations. Keeping track of inventory is crucial for any e-commerce business to ensure that customers know what's available and what's not. So, we're going to dive right into how you can manage this effectively on your Woocommerce platform. First, let's head over to WordPress.com. This is where all the magic begins. Once there, you're going to need to log in. Click on the Login button, which can usually be found at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your credentials, and you'll quickly gain access to your WordPress dashboard, the central hub for managing your online store. Now that you're on the WordPress dashboard, look for the Products section. You can find this on the left-hand menu. Hover over Products and click on it. This is where you will see an option called All Products. Go ahead and click on All Products. This is going to display a list of all the products available in your store, including all the variations you've set up. Once you are in the All Products section, find the specific product that you need to manage. Click on the product name or hover over the product title and select Edit Product. This will take you to the product editing page. Here, you're going to see a section labeled Product Data, just below the product description area. Click on Product Data to expand it. In the Product Data section, look for the Inventory tab. Click on Inventory, and this is where you can start managing your stock. Under the Inventory tab, you'll find a box that says Stock Management. Make sure to check this box. By doing this, you activate the stock management feature specifically for this product. It allows you to keep track of stock levels for each variation individually. Once you enable stock management, you can set the stock quantities for each variation product. This is incredibly useful for maintaining accurate stock levels and preventing overselling, which can lead to unhappy customers. Remember, accurate stock display is essential for transparency and trustworthiness with your e-commerce customers. In summary, managing your stock in Woocommerce might seem like a daunting task at first, but with these steps, you can easily keep everything on track. Remember to regularly update your stock levels, especially after large sales events or when restocking items. This ensures that your customers always have the most accurate information regarding product availability. That wraps up our quick guide on managing and displaying stock for your Woocommerce variations. Keep everything up to date, and your customers will thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next video.